Mm-hmm.
Alright. What's in there?
Oh man! A PSP! PSP!
That's what it is.
With some games for it! Without a charger.
Yeah, sure enough.
2 games. Oh, I wonder what this is.
Wow. PSP.
And? Ooh, what's a PSP case?
You got another case.
Yeah.
You get. Oh, come
Two
on.
cases. See, this is one case, and here's another one.
That's cool.
But if you get another one, there's another one. Man, look at this game! And this game's gonna be awesome!
What is it?
Spider-Man 3!
Wow.
You like Spider-Man 3 movie? Yes, it's like the movie.
Is that the game or the movie?
Game.
You might want to look. No, that's the movie.
Oh, that's a movie for the PSP.
Yeah.
Joshua.
Get out of the way.
So sucks. The game or the movie?
That's the movie. So you got 2 movies.
Only one game.
Oh, and earphones with it too.
Do you think I can try it out?
I don't know.
Even taking the battery.
Yeah, it does, but it's rechargeable.
It's not battery just to take. SpongeBob!
No, that's a game.
This is a game.
Yep, that's a game for it.
Yeah. That's awesome. What is that?
Nothing.